If you're flying business class or first we start Airways, your drop-off will be at entrance 1, away from the crowded areas. At row A, the lounge is located after security lower level. There are 2 options. To the left you will find Royal Silk, the Old Lounge, and to the right, the newest extension, the Royal Orchid. First impression: welcoming. As well as elegant. Although it is not flashy, it is a sweet spot for comfort. Making your pre-flight feel like a break. The lounge can get busy during peak hours. While I like to wait for the in-flight dinner, let me walk you through the food options. If you want to see Thai Airways' quality of food and service, stay tuned for the next vlog. Do not forget to subscribe.